Never should have given it back to the bloody locals, if you ask me. Oh! Hello. I didn't see you there. Welcome again to my humble abode. I'm Reggie, your host. Today I'm going to talk to you about another skin-based product. It's called Crimp Oil, and it's made by our cousins over there not too far across the channel in France. Now, some climbers say that Crimp Oil is merely snake oil. I think they're non-believers. And here it is, Crimp Oil. Supporting the daily abuse of hard climbing and training naturally. Now it's full of all sorts of wonderful ingredients. Let's see. Gosh. 100% natural and chemical free. 6 essential oils and 1 plant extract. Wintergreen is one of those oils, known for its anti-inflammatory properties. We've even got lemon eucalyptus for that lovely hint of lemon in the air when you're using it. Geranium, peppermint. I do love a good peppermint brew. I'm a believer. When you've been climbing for as long as I have, you tend to pick up a few injuries. Dodgy elbows, pulley strain, perhaps even a torn muscle. These can be very sad times for climbers because all we want to do is go climbing. But when I use Crimp Oil, I don't know, it seems to soothe my pain. The application is very simple. You just sort of take a couple of drops and rub it on the area where you feel the most discomfort. But of course, nothing beats seeing a good physio or a doctor. They might just tell you not to go climbing, which never really works for most of us, but you know, they've got some experience. So please do go see them if you've got any continuing niggles. Right, well that should be all you need to know about Crimp Oil. I got mine from bananafingers.co.uk. You can too. I'm sure some other place sells them, but I only use bananafingers.co.uk. Right, well, another glorious day. Let's crush Stanage, shall we? See you next time. Bernard, get the rolls, man.